Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to go over the split squat, which is basically just a static lunge position. Okay, great for the quads, okay, great for hip control and single leg control, which is really important for daily activities. Can also be great to lose body fat and build muscle as well, depending on the goal. Now, what we want to do is just understand this concept of neutral spine, where our head is nice and long, okay, our ribs are over our pelvis, and we maintain a slight natural curvature in the lower back. Okay, we call that neutral spine. Just want at least to have awareness of that for a reference point. Okay, really the way I like to teach the static lunge or split squat is starting from the ground. We can figure out exactly how far our legs need to be, which can be really, really helpful in terms of determining that right starting point. The way I see this is we want our knee, hip, and shoulder in a nice line. Okay, I'm up on my back toe. Of course, if you have toe issues or any kind of pain in that lower limb, we might need to alter the movement slightly. And in the front foot, we bring that foot around 70 to 80 degrees. Okay, from there, I'm going to maintain that neutral spine position, which I just showed. Okay, and then from there, I'm really focusing on mainly driving through the front foot whilst I maintain a fairly upright torso. So if I really just drive through that foot, particularly the big toe, the base of the big toe, the base of the little toe, and the base of the outside of the foot will allow me to maintain a nice foot position. Okay, I'm going to drive through that and maintain a fairly upright position. Now I could alter things a little bit to make sure I feel comfortable, but really I should be able to just lower towards the ground with control, drive back up. As I said, a little bit more tension in the front leg, okay, but not a lot more in this position. Slowly go down, drive back up. Okay, from the front position, okay, we can see that once again the knee and the hip and the ankle all kind of work in a line. We want to make sure we're avoiding that as much as we can in terms of performance. And when you start loading up, it's probably a slightly safer position. That knee is kind of tracking over that second or third toe. Okay, and then I'm just going to drive back up. Slowly down, drive back up.